Jacob knows how to put the colors in the cone. What color is that one? And then that one?
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue.
Mm.
Green. Orange. Pink.
Wow.
Pink
Oh,
ate.
pink ate.
Opo. And then,
What's that?
pink. Pink.
Hmm. Oh. Oh. Wrong. Wrong.
Huh?
Wrong.
Uy, complete.
Wrong naman, wrong. Remove mo yung dalawa.
Three.
One more.
One more.
Remove mo tatlo.